sir. My name is Samadrita Sharma of class 5 section B, roll number 14. Now I am presenting my maths project. For this project I need 2 sheets of chart paper, sketch pens, knife and scissors, pen and a scale. Now I will fold this paper 3 times such that 8 boxes are made. Here 8 boxes are made. Now I will fold both these sides 2 times. Like this. Now with sketch pen I will make lines to make boxes. Now I will write the place values in the boxes. Like this. Now I will put 4 points. Now I will cut with a knife from here to here. Now I will cut this paper into stripes. Like this, from 0 to 9. I have inserted 8 strips like this. Now with the help of this we can make any number of our own choice. Like in Indian system this number is 2 crore 32 lakhs 30,000 795. In international system, this number is 23,230,795. Thank you.
Good evening, sir and miss, and my dear friends. My name is Adesha from class 6, section A. Now we are doing a project about the number system. I need the materials: scissor, cutter, ruler, sketch pen, pencil, eraser and some color sketch pens. I took one paper. I have to fold it 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, then 3 times. it came 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. Then I have to fold from top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have fold from top and down 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then I will dark the lines which I have made. I have dark the lines. Then I will write here 10, 1, 10, 100, etc. I will write here. Then I have written the names and I have also made the hole like this. I also prepared with a chart paper with the number sticks. The number sticks are here. 8 number sticks are there to put in the hole. Then I will take one number stick and I will put it here. Then I have put it the number sticks in order. Then I will give one example in Indian. I will give crores. I will give the example crore 1 lakhs. I have give the example. In Indian system it will be a 1 crore 54 lakhs 34,434. In example I will give the example in international system. It will be 15,434,434. It will be in international system. Thank you.
My name is Kahani Bhattacharjee, Holy Cross School, Kumarga, class 5. My project is System of Numeration, Indian and International. Indian system. Suppose 2 crore 51 lakh 12,500. Now international system. Suppose 35 million 265,100 This is my project. Thank you.